I installed Ubuntu 22 LTS on my iPad, and just look at this. It's a full desktop-level Ubuntu setup running right inside the iPad. And the best part is, I didn't lose iPad OS for this. It's running alongside it, which means I can use both environments at the same time. Keep watching because I'm going to show you how you can explore a setup like this on your iPhone or iPad as well. It's using my iPad's Wi-Fi as a network connection, and honestly, everything in this setup is running pretty smoothly. Right now, I'm controlling it using my Mac's shared trackpad and keyboard. But here's the cool thing. You can operate it using the touchscreen too. Once you launch it, your touchscreen essentially becomes a trackpad. I also tried an older version of Ubuntu with the same approach on my iPhone. It is slower on the iPhone, but yes, it works. The terminal experience is actually pretty good. You can install and update packages using Ubuntu's apt package manager, just like in a normal desktop environment. Now, you might be wondering, how do we open the keyboard to type in the terminal? There's a small arrow button at the top right corner. Tap it, and you'll see a menu with controls, including the keyboard button, which opens a virtual keyboard. So that's a quick walkthrough. Now let's talk about how you can set up something similar on your own device. I'm using my iPhone to demonstrate the setup process, but if you're using an iPad, the steps are exactly the same. To run a virtual Linux environment like this on an iPad or iPhone, we're going to use UTM SE Retro PC Emulator, which is officially available on the App Store. It runs virtual machines inside a secure sandbox environment, fully within Apple's guidelines, without modifying the system in any way. So first, open the App Store and download UTM SE Retro PC Emulator. Once you open it, tap the plus icon. You'll see options like New Machine and Open Existing Machines. You can also use pre-built machines. These are ready-to-use Ubuntu images designed specifically for iPhone and iPad. To get one, tap Open the UTM Gallery, and it will show a list of available Linux options. For this video, I'm choosing Ubuntu. They offer Ubuntu 22 and Ubuntu 14, so pick whichever version you prefer. After downloading the pre-built VM, you'll get a zip archive. Extract it, then tap the UTM SE image file, and it will automatically import and configure itself as a virtual machine. From here, you can launch it right away. Or, if you want to adjust performance settings, you can increase RAM or change core allocation. For example, here I'm setting the RAM to 3 GB and enabling multi-core. Once you're done configuring, just save it and press Start to launch Ubuntu. And that's it. Ubuntu is now running on both the iPhone and iPad. So what's the conclusion? It looks really cool, and it's definitely usable, but it's still a time-consuming setup and not something you would use as a daily computer. Performance is good enough for experimenting, learning Linux, and running lightweight tasks. Still, it's an amazing example of what's possible with virtualization on iPad hardware today. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tech experiments like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.